Just made this quinoa salad and some homemade salad dressing. Very tasty. The ingredients are very basic, very simple, easy to make. You want to see how I did it? Come on. All right, let's make some quinoa salad. So we got some lettuce, got some tomato, got some cilantro or coriander if you're English, and we got some quinoa. So we got a pot of quinoa that we had in the fridge. This is the tri-colored quinoa. Some leftover quinoa. All right, so we got our vegetables nice, washed up nicely, and we just want to cut them up really fine, and we'll make our salad. It smells so good. We'll cut it up as fine as we can, and we'll put it to the side. Cut up some lettuce. Cut up a tomato. Alright, I'm just going to go and add the veg to the pot and mix it in the pot. Mix it up. Feel free to add some pickles to this if you want. It's optional. If you like pickles, this is some homemade pickles I made. And I just reused the jar. Here's just a nice piece of basil. This homemade salad dressing is vegetarian, it's vegan, and it only has 3 simple ingredients. Let's make some quick and simple salad dressing. This is the most basic salad dressing you'll ever see. It's super easy to make. It's healthy. You take some extra virgin olive oil. Take a little bit of a lime. And a little bit of sea salt. That's it. Salad dressing. Got a swirl. Now you get the tanginess of the extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt. You get the lime. It's going to be perfect.